He's not as afraid.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone! Welcome back sa aming channel. And ngayong umaga, pupunta kami ng sand dunes. Dadali namin yung truck ni Travis. And dadali namin itong Scout. Ayan. Then, si Mama Karen, kasama din namin. Kagabi lang siya dumating ng alas 8. Magba-vlog ako pagdating namin doon. And it's gonna be fun. Kasi, nung nakaraan na pumunta ako doon, sobrang saya talaga. Kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako. Kasi nga, first time ko din yun. And napaka-saya talaga na experience. Alright, we're leaving. We will go to the dunes now.
We gotta put our jackets on.
Yup. It's
freezing out.
freezing.
I need to get that poop off my door.
What is that?
Oh, what you need? There's a spray bottle of water.
Our dogs are excited. They are excited to go to the Bandit is so sweet. Bandit is so sweet. Oh, give Mommy kisses too. Come here. Come here. That's Mama Karen. Say hi, Ma. Oh, it's freezing. So, ito, 1 hour yung biyahe galing sa bahay. And then, tapos ayan. Ayan yung, tawag nito. Yung daan dito. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang layo sa mga tindahan, layo sa mga bahay-bahay. Bibihira ka lang din talaga makita ng bahay. Ilan lang dito. Nice.
It's beautiful.
Ito yung parang taniman nila. Ayan yung Scout. Kasama namin yung Scout. Diba? And we will also make video for the other channel. JT4x4. Oh, may simbahan. Panoorin nyo na lang guys yung adventure namin doon. Pero mag-vlog din ako dito. Pagdating namin doon. Nandito kami sa Stony Lake, guys.
No!
Muntik na! May tumawid na. What is that? What do you call it? A squirrel. Muntik na. What is this, babe? Stony Lake?
Stony Lake area.
Yes, papakita namin sa inyo ang view dito.
Lots of campgrounds and stuff like that.
Dito tayo sa Stony Lake.
I don't remember if this is where...
This is where we went last time. And they have some, cabin here.
Oh yeah, this is where we took you last time.
Yeah. It's the
These are
same
nice
place.
houses.
Yeah.
Golly. $1 million.
Yep.
$1 million. We're gonna go right.
Uy. Lagaw. Ganda ng view. Mas maganda yan if the trees were, blooming.
Yeah, they will be here in a little bit,
Yeah.
shortly. Maybe a little bit closer into summer.
Right. Kintley!
Right now it's coming spring.
Hi, pretty girl.
We're
What?
just coming out of spring, like it's still in that transition phase.
You look so handsome there, babe.
Oh, thank you. Like my gray jacket, my dad's.
Yeah. Look at me. Ooh. Gusto rin. Char. So, 12 minutes na lang. Papunta na kami.
Told you,
Malapit
you're
na
very
kami.
lucky, huh? That is neat.
Yeah. What is that?
But, yeah, it was a bad experience.
Ayan na ang sand dunes. Nandito na kami guys and mag-air down sila.
I have my ORVs, but I just need a take part sticker just like a daily or...
Siyempre, nandito ang Chevy Colorado ni Travis. Super excited siyang itry to sa dunes. And ayun si Kinsey nasa loob. Gusto niyang lumabas. Lalabas namin siya. Gustong gusto ko talaga tong Terra Scout na to. Tignan nyo naman. It sits so high. It sits higher. Ang laki ng tires. Look at that. Ganda. And itong view dito, kung makikita nyo. Pero pagdating ng summer, super busy dito.
Hey, Justin.
Ah?
Got a leash?
She's being a good girl. Yeah, you're being a good girl. Ang dami ng tao dito ngayon. Nag-air down sila tapos nagbabili sila ng sticker. What are you guys doing here on that booth, babe? Is that so you can buy a sticker?
Vouchers,
Ah.
I don't. So I can get a temporary. I got a temporary pass.
Yeah.
So just for a day.
So meron kaming flag.
You see what I'm at?
Nag-air down kami.
Oh, you're airing down all four at the same time.
Yeah.
We're here. So it's gonna be bumpy here. Nandito na kami guys, bababa na. Ayan yung mga, ayan o. Napakataas. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so fun. This is fun. Kung gusto niyo mapanood yung mga video na umakyat si Travis dun sa hill, panoorin niyo na lang po sa isang channel. Umakyat tayo dito. Oh my gosh. Oh, really? Tapos, ano yan, Babe Lake? Is that a lake?
Lake Michigan.
Yeah, Lake Michigan.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Ayun si Bandit na sa likod. At si Kinsley, andito si Kinsley. Sa likod din. Ang dami ring tao ngayon. Akala namin kaunti lang, pero ang dami. Malamig pa din.
Fun.
Yeah. How was it?
It's fun, man.
Yeah. Feels like you want to go back here tomorrow, huh?
I only bought a day pass.
Nice. Di ba? Ang ganda. This truck can do pretty much everything.
Anything.
Yeah. Tapos meron silang mga side by side doon sila.
I'm switching transfer cases. And this bank's power, oh, that helped a lot.
Really?
Yeah. Because I have the power when I need it right now.
Right.
I have that power.
Ang ganda. Kabataang naglalaro ng mga ano nila. Kailangan dito may flag kasi para makita kung baka mamaya makasalubong nila, kabuguan, di ba? Kaya kanina may accident doon kasi nga siguro nabunggo nila isa't isa. Pero may flag man sila. Si Bandit, oh. Sanay na sanay.
But he's gonna guess and try to turn up one of these.
Really?
Yeah, I know him.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at this. Easy, easy, baby.
Yeah. careful. It's like we're in the trail. Ano, Kinsley? Sanay na sanay. Oh! Galing ni Dad. Nice! Wow! Let's see. Let's see. No! Oh my God!
Hey!
That is fun! Para tayo nasa roller coaster. That is really fun, babe.
For a second I was like, oh!
I thought you can't make it.
Here we go. My tires are significantly heavier.
Yeah.
Or my I have 13 psi, so the air pressure is a little higher. Oh,
You're na-enjoy si Kuya mo.
it's fun, babe.
You're
And
gonna
this bank's power, I'm telling you, babe, it makes a difference.
Kinsley, are you enjoying too? Oh yeah. She loves this. And look at Bandit. Look how the dogs love it too. Nice.
To Colorado.
Yeah. Come on, Bandit.
Justin's gonna go swimming. Let's go watch.
Come on.
Go swimming.
That's really cold. Nah.
That water's probably like 30 degrees.
Ang lamig siguro ng tubig na yan.
Don't get too wet. She's not as afraid.
Yeah. Ang daming tao ngayon.
I paid for this vehicle. What are you doing?
Kinsey, gusto makipaglaro kay Bandit.
Careful. Careful.
Yun yung mga motor nila, grabe. Grabe sila magpatakbo dito. Parang playground nila to. Kinsley. Kinsley, go get him.
What time are they releasing the first one? Okay. Right.
Ang cute ni Bandit.
Oh, okay. Yup. We're gonna. Well, we'll probably stop at Sherry's on the way back home. We just came out here for the day, just to do some videos, see how his truck did on. Oh,
Medyo malamig ang tubig. So, pumunta kami dun kanina. Malamig ang tubig. Kaya walang, syempre, walang maliligo. Pag summer, madami naliligo dyan. Kinsley! 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 You have fun? Yeah, you had... Oh, I know! You had fun! Huh? Mga truck, jeep. Go see Bandit. Where's Bandit? Oh, there you go.
Look at her face.
Bandit is here.
You could take the drone out over the water and get a picture from out over the water.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Bandit. Where's Bandit? Kinsey. She wanna hold her leash.
Stay here.
Okay.
But
Yeah, they did.
Good boy. Good boy. Okay, Kinsley.
come,
Hey.
come.
Come on, Bandit. Good boy. Kinsley, you stop.
He's like preparing for the attack.
Ang kulit ni Kinsley. Ang kulit-kulit mo. Yeah, I know. Ah, yeah. Yung kulit mo, ah. Kulit ikaw, ah. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, what? What? What?
Is that your friend?
Is he your friend?
Oh, right. It's fun.
When he pops up and stares.
Yeah. Oh, look at you. Look at you, baby ko. Oh, napagod. Pagod na yan. Oh my goodness, kawawa naman. Kawawa naman, oh. Kawawa.
The little one? That's probably like a fucking 600.
Kawawa naman.
You need that 1,000.
Ayun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. Pagod na ang baby namin. Nanonood pa rin kami dito ng mga sasakyan.
Yeah, this V8 don't have that.
Kaya tignan namin itong Tacoma kung makaakyat siya ba.
Anyways, yeah, Jimmy Mall, I told you about that track.
Tracks, yeah.
Active. It's called an Active.
Tignan natin kung makaakyat siya. Kanina pa siya nagbabalik-balik.
Yeah, he's
I heard that too.
he's disappointed. They gave him
Diba? Kaloka. Ganyan sila dito.
yeah, but he's like, this is the third fucking time it's dripping again. I'm like, did they leave oil in there? It was an oil cooler, like by the water pump.
They given it a new car, right?
No, Chevy refused it.
What?
Chevy denied a replacement.
Bullshit. I get a lawyer and go to lemon law.
Ayun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Tulog na ang baby!